Today we worked on solving rate word problems. Rate shows the relationship between two different measurements, for instance, miles per hour or words per minute. In this example, the car went 30 miles per hour. This statement is telling us that in 1 hour's time, the car will travel 30 miles. Sometimes it tells us how many they drove per hour, and then they want us to find the rate for how far they would travel in 4 hours. In this case, if we are traveling 30 miles every hour for 4 hours, we would be doing repeated addition, or an easier way to solve is to do multiplication. So we would do 30 times 4 to figure out how many miles he would travel in that 4-hour time frame. So 4 times 0 is 0. Our second step is to do 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So Liam would travel 120 miles in 4 hours. Let's try another one. If Malcolm earns $3 a week for doing chores, how much would he earn for 7 weeks of chores? So each week he is earning $3. How much would he have at the end of 7 weeks? We could do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or we could write this as a multiplication pattern, which would be 3 times 7. So at the end of 7 weeks, he would have earned $21. If Callie drove 55 miles in 1 hour, at that rate, how far can she drive in 6 hours? Write a multiplication pattern and solve the problem. So if she can travel 55 miles per hour, how fast can she go in 6 hours? Our first step is to do 6 times 5, which is 30. So we put our 3 up. We bring our 0 down. Our second step is to do 6 times 5. Add 3. So 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. So in 6 hours, if she goes a constant rate of 55 miles an hour for all 6 of those hours, she will travel 330 miles. One more problem. If Jeff swims 20 laps every day, how many laps will he swim in 1 week? Well, we have to know how many days are in 1 week, and we know that 7 days is equal to 1 week. So if every day he's swimming 20 laps, how many laps will he swim in 7 days? 20 times 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 2 is 14 laps. He will swim 140 laps in 1 week. Today you will have 5 rate questions that you will be accomplishing. We practiced division yesterday, so try that as best as you can. Adding decimals, naming a line and a segment, and rounding. You will click on the link and it will take you to the Google form for you to accomplish this assignment.